I quit my 9 to 5 job to do YouTube. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you my experience, if it is worth it or not, and if it is something I will advise you to try. And lastly, I'm going to be telling you how I make money on YouTube here even without being monetized. Yes, because I did a video on that last week, and I wonder why that video didn't really blow up, because I explained a whole lot of secret and truth. This is the video, you can go ahead and watch it. So let us delve into the video. If this video is a beautiful video that you love to watch, kindly subscribe, yes, like and share so that it can get to a whole lot of people. In case of you're planning on quitting that job, yes, that precious job you have, in case of you're thinking of quitting it to do YouTube, you really need to watch this video, because I'm really going to be exposing a whole lot of things, what I've learned, and if I'm regretting it or if it is a mistake that I did. Let us dive into the video. Okay, hi guys and welcome back. Okay, the first question is if it's worth it or not. All right, based on my business, actually it's my personal business. The reason why I call it 9 to 5 job is because I leave my house in the morning 9-10 o'clock and I return home in the evening around 6-5. Yes, so it's automatically 9 to 5 job. Yes, because if you're working in an office, I think it's the same thing. So one of the reasons why I had to quit the job is because it was taking my whole time. Like, I couldn't even focus on creating content, because you know YouTube needs attention and it's depending on your niche. Those of you that handle 3, 4, 5 YouTube channels and you're working, I come on cap, like how do you do it? So I think the next question is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it, because I have been earning here on YouTube since I started my online class last month. Yes, I've been earning here cool like on a low. Yes, so is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. And another thing that I'm going to be advising you outside, if you want to do something like this, make sure you have elsewhere money is coming from. Yes, for those of you that's planning on closing down your business to pour your whole focus and attention on YouTube, make sure you have a place where money is coming from. Because I noticed that going to shop every day, coming back in the evening, I don't even have time to shoot my videos, I don't even have time to edit, and I have online clients whom I help them in editing and they also pay me. So that is why I said I am already making money here even without being monetized, and I'm going to be explaining to you how you can also do that. You know, especially if you are a tutorial kind of content creator, you bring out knowledge here. Normally it's not everything you teach that your audience is going to understand. Do you guys know how many times I've talked about this video IQ app? Do you know that a lot of people don't even still understand it? So this is where this online class comes in. You're going to send me an email and I'm going to be telling you, okay, for me to be able to tutor you on this particular topic and for you to understand it very well, this is the amount you pay. Start doing online class. Yes, teach people what you know how to edit. Teach people. There are a lot of, if not thousands of people out there that are looking for genuine and intelligent people to learn from, to pay money. I am doing it, so I'm going to tell you my experience from it. Do you know that even setting up a YouTube channel, most of us on this YouTube don't know how to do it, and it's part of my online class. Yes, when you sign up, I'm going to be teaching you how to do this, how to do that, and that is how I've been able to make money ever since I stopped my 9 to 5 job. And I'm not regretting it. No, I'm not regretting it. So if you are aspiring to be like me, you're trying to stop that stuff you're doing, make sure you have another means of income. Yes, aside from getting little pay from my online class, my online course and all that, my husband is another supporting partner. So if you don't have husband, you don't have boyfriend, you don't have another means where money is coming from, you don't really need to get monetized on YouTube before you start earning. Even on TikTok, you don't need to wait till you're monetized before you start earning. Teach people something, okay? You know how to braid hair. Yes, you can open a channel and be braiding hair on YouTube here, and while you're braiding the hair, you just rush create an online course class, paste it. People will come. At the beginning they might not really come, but I trust me when I say people is going to send you email to learn that skill. Yes, because gone are the days. One thing I noticed is that most people, they really pay more attention and they really prefer these online classes than physical classes. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. So all the same, if you're good in editing, start an online course. Teach people how to do thumbnails. From the students I've had so far, I realized that, you see, everything I come up here to say on the screen, inside 100% is like 50 or 60 that understand it and can actually practicalize it. The rest don't. So that is why I have this online course. There's this lady that I follow. Her channel is based on cooking. Yes, do you know that her 2 weeks online class is over 150k? And she have a lot of students, because in her comment section I see students, oh ma, I sent you an email, I just joined, her classes are great. So if you know how to do something, start first by building that your channel. As you're building it, you introduce what you are good at. Yes, and one thing is, you have to convince people. This, it's online, nobody is seeing you physical to say, oh, I know where she lives, I perceive the aroma of her food, oh, I see the way she edit her video. No, you have to first bring it online here. Yes, this my online teaching, wherever the inspiration came from, ever since I made my first ever long form video, which you guys know about, which actually went viral a little. That how I got my 1000 subscriber from posting short form video in 7 days. It was from there that I know that, oh babe, you really need to start this online teaching, because I got a lot of email. Then I've lost, okay, I'm going to check if I still have the messages on my email, so I'll be displaying on the screen, but if I don't see it, I won't display it. Like, I need teaching on this, and back then I was even doing it for free. Yes, I think I taught like 6 people how to do thumbnail and short pattern back then for free. It was as time goes on that I said, no, nah, because I know what it took me to actually calm down, do my research, discover the short pattern that the short posting pattern that is going to work for me. I know what it took me to be able to gather those ideas and bring it, and the videos are performing very well. So I said to myself, I need to start getting money from these teachings now. It's data that I'm burning. So that was how my whole online teaching online course stuff came. Yes, so back to what I was saying, you have to convince your viewers, yes, your subscribers, the little subscribers you have to convince them that, okay, this is what they are paying for. Try to show them in your channel. If it is cooking, upload quality videos. Yes, try as much as possible. I know getting that you see MIS miso camera is over 1.4 million of recent. If you can't afford that, iPhone 6 camera is good. At least you can afford that one. Try to improvise, get a tripod stand, make video. If you are sewing, make videos of it, post it here on YouTube. Start that your and one thing is, make sure that whatever you are charging, if you're charging 30k, make sure that you're going to be able to deliver. Yes, it's not just all about starting up something and people are coming to pay you, and you're not giving them what they want at the end. Yes, I think we'll have to end the video here. If you watched to this point, and if you have any question at all, you can go ahead and drop it in the comment section. I'm going to be putting you through. I'm going to be taking to all comments. I'll be replying everything. If you have not subscribed yet and you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and lastly, like this video so that it can get to a whole lot of people. Yes, you guys outside there, you have 4,000 subscribers, 5k subscribers, you have views on your channel, but you're not yet monetized. This is another way for you to make money. How do you think all these big YouTubers make money on YouTube here? I'm gonna be dropping some of their names. You see, this is my favorite, Robert Benjamin. This guy is making money. This other lady here, all of them have online classes, online course that you will have to pay in dollar in order for you to learn it, and that is how they're making most of their money. Not really from this whole YouTube monetization, because how much YouTube pay you is not by the amount of subscribers you have. Oh yes, sometimes you see somebody very popular and you see that a small creator with like 11k 5k subscriber earns more than that person. Yes. So don't sleep on this. Bring out that your knowledge, bring out that your talent, bring it up here and teach people and get rewarded for it. Okay guys, bye and see you all in my next video. Mwah.